For many industries, 2021 is the perfect time to start preparing for a more resilient and future-proof business operations. Vaccination efforts are underway, but the state of how businesses navigate the new normal continues to evolve. If your business requires large volumes of document printing, the Epson EcoTank L15160 is ideal for business-quality A3 printing with a fast print speed of 25 IPM for both color and mono. This printer also uses the latest pigment ink, DuraBrite ET, and that gives users sharp, crisp, and durable prints that are water-resistant. It is built to ensure lower costs for duplex printing and scanning, as it is easy to maintain and uses high-yield ink bottles that minimize frequency of consumables replacement. For some businesses, this busy season entails having to digitize most documents to ensure data is not lost in preparation for the coming work year. The recommended solution for on-the-go scanning needs would be Epson's WorkForce ES60W, which is small, compact, and lightweight. Last but not the least, most businesses today develop the need for projector solutions that are portable, easy to install, and convenient to use. Epson's EpiqVision EF12 can be moved from room to room or any work setup without the need for a TV or screen, while still offering that big screen experience in a portable design.